What's up, quizzes? This is IQ Splash. Welcome back. Today's mission is Guess the Food by the Emoji. You'll face 20 fast-paced puzzles with only 10 seconds each. So, stay sharp and get your taste buds ready. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And now, let's jump right in. Let's get started. Can you guess the food? Hooray, it's hot dog. That point is all yours. Can you figure out this one? Great job. That's chocolate cake. Keep on going. You're doing great. It's mini burger. I'm sure you know this dish. That is definitely fish pie. Can you identify this food? Cheese fries, so comforting and yummy. Which meal do these emojis show? It's mac and cheese. Time to test your memory skills. Watch closely and remember where each emoji shows up. Now, here's the question. Where did the burger emoji appear? The burger emoji was in spot number 2. Great job! Can you figure out the food? A slice of happiness. It's pizza. The right answer is sushi. Can you solve this dish? That's right, it's a cupcake. 2 emojis, 1 food. What do you think it is? Correct cheesecake it is. How about this dish? Exactly right. That's a double bacon sandwich. Can you tell IQS what this treat is called? Raisins? What food is this? Great work, it's popcorn. Let's see if you can get this one. It's a chocolate pancake. What food comes to mind here? It's jelly beans. My favorite. Think carefully. What's your answer? It's Scotch eggs. Do you recognize this food? Waffle fries. Let's try and guess this food. That is fried chicken. Super tasty. It's a calzone.